Three prongs. Three prongs is what everyone talks about. What do I mean by that? Well, look at this. Can you see this tripod? This tripod right here has three prongs. Well, if you think about it, in your business as well, when you're looking at your marketing videos, what are you considering when it comes to your three prongs? Are you looking at the audience in the right way? Are you speaking with the right kind of messages to your audience in the right way? So what I want you to consider is this. There are three types of people that you would serve in your marketing. Number one, the people that do not know you at all. Number two, the people that kind of know you and they're getting warmed up to you. And the third type of person is someone who really knows you, really likes you, really trusts you, and says, shut up and take my money, right? These are the kind of three people that you will find. And you'll be marketing to these three people, but there are different ways of how you do this. How you create your videos and what kind of language you use will determine the outcome and the result of the behavior of your prospect or your customer. So think about how you're making a difference today with your videos. Think about what languaging you are using with someone who doesn't know you and you're trying to just get them aware of your existence. Think about the languaging of someone who knows you and they're still getting warmed up to you so that you can get them to engage a little more with you. You know, maybe share your content, maybe like your content, maybe comment on your content and interact with you. And think about the languaging you use with people who already are past all that and they're ready to buy from you, and how are you still adding value and not just simply saying, buy from me, buy from me, buy from me, buy from me, or sign up with me, sign up with me, sign up with me, right? Think about these things, because I'll tell you what, when you start learning how to language your service to care for your customer, you will start producing a massive amount of impact on these people who deserve your service, these people who need your service. Really important. You know, when I look back at one thing that I did right at the beginning, when we started with videos, we looked at how we were creating videos to communicate with people. We were looking at not just randomly putting stuff out because that didn't work, but we were looking for a strategy that could really help our clients create the impact they wanted to create in their businesses, but also monetize their impact that they were making in their businesses. So I want you to think about that for yourself right now, because these are the three things we considered as part of our strategy, and I'm just giving it out to you right now. Go ahead, put them to use, create videos based on that, create content based on that, and then see for yourself the amazing outcomes you get. And in fact, if you're already trying that, some of you might be watching our stuff or part of our programs. But if you're already getting some results, go ahead and comment below. If you ask some questions and if you want some clarity around it, comment below. We're more than happy to give some answers and give you guidance. All right, talk to you later. Signing out.